Okay, hi guys. I'm not kind of sure with this. I'm testing something out, but the thing that I want to create this video with is I am going to color my hair finally again for after quite a while. It's been fading, and yes, we're going to have a couple of things here. I actually mixed a few things already because I actually wanted to see if they're going to be good. So I have here the Sonique, but this is what it's called, Sonique hair dye. This one. So this is the Sonique hair dye. This has been like a really great hair dye, but I really haven't tried the brown one on its own. That's what we're actually testing today, because I don't know if it's going to look good, or if it's not gonna look good, then I'll be doomed. So we're going to do this with a few angle changes. So I'm doing this for precaution just because I'm in like this plastic cabinet drawers that I have that I really enjoy them. They're like my storage drawers, and they're plastic, so you can easily wash out the dye that's going to be on it. So let's get into the dye. So like I said, I have the Sonique hair dye. This is the Jada. So this is dark brown. And I'm gonna color my hair. So my hair is like pastel pink kind of shade, it's all like, it has some roots that started growing already. I want to fix it in a way that I want to try also how strong a brown color is. First, I need my gloves. So I bleached my hair, and I'm so okay with that. And of course, I'm fine bleaching my hair. I did also have my hair trimmed just to give back a bit of health to my hair. But I do enjoy dyeing my hair. So here's a mixture of it. So this one is actually Jada with a bit of like a cool tone of Bray Mod. So it's the gray color of Bray Mod. This is a color conditioner also. And my advice for you, if you're gonna bleach your hair, don't color your hair with permanent dye or with box dye. Use color conditioner because it will bring back health to your hair, as well as color your hair, and it's just gonna fade out, and then you can color it again with a different color. So this is a bit more potent and dark. So I want to see the color of this brown hair, because usually with color conditioner it does diffuse, and it also differs depending on the color. So I've noticed that purple, of course, is very vibrant, as well as red. But with brown, so far I've never seen a brown hair color that is strong. So that's why I tend to not lean towards brown. But right now, my hair is this like off color of the faded pink, and so I actually want to see if it's going to look good with just the brown one. Just brown, and of course a bit of the gray, but still the brown. You usually buy this one, the bottles, and then you're going to diffuse it with the regular conditioner that you have at home. And you don't need to put like all this one. If you want like the really dark one, then go for it. But I usually diffuse it with a conditioner. Here's the color. It's nice like brown. So like I said, I don't know how strong a dark brown will be, but we're going to see. So we're going to start with the top, which is the roots too. And this is wrong, of course, if there are any hair dressers there that are commenting, I know. But I want to put here first at the top because I want to see how it looks like with just potent. And then I'm going to put it on my gloves. As you can see, there it is. So it's like this grayish brown. And then I'm going to put it at the back. So I put the back first. Usually I do, but it's just mainly that because this is, like I said, it's a color conditioner, so you just have to just put it on your hair. It doesn't have to have the right kind of, oh, you apply it here first, you apply it here first. But with hair coloring, it's very different with just color conditioner because the longer it stays, the better it is. So if you put longer on the lighter shades, then it's going to be more color there than in the darker shades. So I'm doing first the back because it needs to stay longer and it needs to be darker. I prefer it to be darker at the bottom. So that's what I do here. Don't forget the back part here, because this one tends to be a bit lighter. usually whenever I color my hair, it tends to be lighter there, which I don't like. So I don't want it to be like that. So I'm making sure I'm putting colors on there first. So I'm kind of excited because, you know, I'm not really sure what this is going to look like. Oh, and by the way, I like to put it here. So I'm also looking at the mirror, so you can see also what I'm doing. So this is my priority as well. Since I have already bleached part of the roots, I want to help it grow out evenly or seamless. So I'm going to put a lot of the dark ones there. Hopefully it's potent enough or colored enough. So as you can see. Oh, and by the way, advice for this is put it on dry hair. The color conditioner should be better with a really dark saturated form first before diluting it, because usually when I dilute brown color conditioner, it doesn't come out as good or as brown of what I want. And I really want to find that perfect, like a toner. It's like going to be a toner, but it's not going to be damaging for your hair. It's actually going to add hydration because it is conditioner. So I'm doing this, experimenting on my hair with color conditioner because it will be a healthier kind of output. So as you can see, I'm still not yet putting color on the ends of my hair because I actually want to make it a bit of the lighter color of brown, so it's not gonna stay as long on the bottom parts. Okay, so I think I've put already on all of the parts that needs to be a bit more darker than the others. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to get the ends and just drag it. I didn't dilute it yet because like I said, it's at the last part, so it's not going to be as dark as the rest. So I'm just a bit more, just like drag it there to make sure of it. Okay, then I'll comb it. And I will show you guys the end result after it dries out and on a different angle. So I'll see you guys. Okay, so this is my hair. As you can see, I swear I didn't wash this off. Wash it off after like 5 hours of me doing chores, like cleaning the place, cleaning the house, sweeping while it's there. I'm not happy with what it looks like. I know the video was kind of messy. I will try to redo something else in the future, but this is what it is now. Like literally it's peach. It didn't come out as brown, even close to brown. I was like really shocked when I washed my hair. A lot of the dark color conditioner is just washing off, and I was like, did I really put a lot excessively? But no, it was literally the color conditioner washing off, so it didn't really stop as much. And I'm telling you, my hair was dry. I didn't wash it before I applied the color conditioner, so yeah, sadly this is what it's gonna look like. It became a bit more peachier than the pink one that originally was, but yes, so this is the fail of the brown color conditioner. So I'm suggesting to you now, maybe use the brown color conditioner to diffuse the brightness of a color conditioner that you're going to use. Like if you're going to put pink, put a bit of the brown to make it a bit more rose gold, or a lot of the brown to make it a bit more rose gold, that kind of thing, so that you could actually get more potency color on your hair. But aside from that, I don't think brown color conditioner is going to make your hair brown or blue and orange, because it cancels out each other's color. So let me know down below. I might do this kind of video again, but a bit more quicker. I just want to do the application and then just show you guys and to see what's gonna happen afterwards. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. I'm so sorry if this was an epic fail, but now I'm telling you, don't get any brown color conditioner if you're just gonna use it on its own. Trust me, it's not gonna work. See you guys.